Hey guys, Sam Hartman, keeping it real estate today at my latest listing in Acacia Creek neighborhood, northeast Fort Wayne. This is a classic 3-bed, 2-bath ranch, over 1,600 square feet, open floor plan on a pond lot. So why don't we check it out with me? So I'm standing in the backyard, and as you can tell, it's a pond lot, but also the property backs up to this common area along the pond as well. So you have a ton of privacy between you and your neighbors. You have this green space to utilize as well. So a lot of great features, not just about this house, but the lot that it sits on as well.